Hey you guys, it's Alexis and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and first impressions of the new CoverGirl new Exhibitionist lipstick. July 29th, that is National Lipstick Day. First of all, I want to say that this packaging is super duper duper cute. This is what the box looks like, and basically I'm gonna assume it's the names of all the new lippies that they have in their collection. And this is what the box looks like. So let's open this bad boy up. As we open it up, how cute! Oh my god, how cute is this, bro? This is so cute. How cute! Their packaging is always fucking cute. Okay, so let's read what it says. CoverGirl, I am what I make up. In honor of National Lipstick Day, the new CoverGirl Exhibitionist lipstick collection has 48 shades to clap back at any shade you have ever been thrown for your lipstick choices. Available in cream, metallic, dimming, matte finishes, this collection will have you rethink your comfort zone. Shimmery blue before noon. We've got you covered with deeper. Hot pink for the gym. Try Just Saying. The highly pigmented formula is infused with shea butter for long-lasting color and designed to break all the rules. Plus, the new CoverGirl Exhibition lip liners. Oh, they got lip liners! Are the perfect partner in crime to keep it exactly where you want it. We can't wait to see what kind of lip looks you serve. You guys, this is so cute, okay? Oh. This is what it looks like. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I gotta snap this. Sorry. You guys, I'm currently filming, but I just wanted to show y'all my PR package from CoverGirl. And how cute is this, bruh? It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lip liners, and like they said, 48 shades. This is so super cute. Like, oh my gosh, this is like super cute. Like, I would want to keep this, but it's gonna take up a lot of space. This color actually looks like my lip color. thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to share this video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your side nigga, even your baby mama. Love you. Mwah.